Welcome to the AVMA Veterinary Career Center, featuring the veterinary profession's premier job board and so much more. To get the most of what the VCC job board has to offer, let's start by setting up a profile. First, visit the VCC job board on any computer or mobile device and sign up for a free job seeker account. Follow the prompts to confirm your email address and sign into your account with your email and password. It's that easy to get started. Take a moment to get familiar with your job seeker dashboard. Here, you can browse jobs, see alerts for any saved searches, revisit your saved jobs, and keep track of applications. Before diving into your search, update your profile by uploading a resume or fill out your information to let the VCC build one for you. Then, enter your desired position, salary, and other job search details. A complete profile will have all these important pieces of your career journey: contact information, past experience, current role, a statement about your career goals, details about your desired position. A complete job seeker profile will increase the odds of an employer finding you. To be found by employers on the VCC job board, set your profile visibility to searchable to allow prospective employers to find and contact you more easily. And be sure to upload a resume for employers to view. If you need any help, the AVMA Veterinary Career Center resources include tips and templates for creating an effective resume. Now, it's time to search the AVMA Veterinary Career Center job board, which offers you hundreds of opportunities to land your perfect position. The VCC job board allows you to search for jobs by keyword, location, and other filters. To narrow your search, use these filters or keywords: city or state, type of position, species specialty, experience level required, position type such as full-time, part-time, consultant, etc. Then, to save you time and effort, use your searches to set up customized job alerts. You'll receive automatic notifications when jobs are posted that match your filters. Once you select your search criteria and submit a search, just click the Create Alert button to set up a job alert and receive emails daily with matching jobs. See all your alerts right from your dashboard and directly in your email inbox. No need to keep repeating the same searches. Plus, you can save individual jobs so you can revisit those listings later. Easily save listings as you come across them so you can quickly apply when it's convenient for you. Everyone's job search journey will be different, but the AVMA Veterinary Career Center is by your side for every step, from finding to landing to thriving in your perfect job. Visit avma.org/VCC to start searching and to explore a whole suite of career resources.